What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I show you how to make money online, and my goal is of course to go from $0 to $1 million. So today I want to introduce something new to the channel, and you already guessed it, Forex. Alright guys, so in this video we're gonna talk about what Forex is, why 95% of all traders actually lose money in the Forex market, and how you can prevent this and make money on the Forex market by doing absolutely nothing. Alright guys, so what is Forex and how can you make money with it? The foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world, trading an insane $5.4 trillion per day. The Forex market is basically a market that consists of all the currencies, or you could say the most of the currencies that we have worldwide, such as Great Britain pound, USD, Euro, Japanese yen, and all those currencies. So now you're thinking, alright Rishi, you know what the Forex market is. How do I start making money on the foreign exchange market? Alright guys, bear with me, I'm getting there. Let's say you travel to Europe with an X amount of dollars. Let's say you're traveling with 500 euros. And right now you're exchanging the euros to dollars, right, in that country. So that would give you $700 at the current exchange rate. The current exchange rate is 1 euro equals $1.4. Let's say after that you got bored of Europe and you decided to travel back to where you came from. And in the meantime the exchange rate changed to 1.3. So this means 1 euro equals $1.3. Now if you would change that same $700 into euros, you would be left with $538.50. So your 500 euro changed into $538 just because the exchange rate dropped a little bit. So it all has to do with the basic principle of buying low and selling high. But just like all other business opportunities, the Forex market also has risks involved. These are some of the facts that I gathered about the foreign exchange market. 80% of all day traders quit within the first 2 years. This means if you start off with Forex without any guidance, just starting off with Forex and just assuming everything you see online is true, then you might be part of this 80% that will quit within the first 2 years simply because you were losing too much money and you got discouraged by the foreign exchange market. Anyways, the last fact, 95% of all traders fail. This is the most commonly used trading related statistic around the internet, and I can believe that this is very true because I was part of this 95%. I started off learning about Forex, trading Forex about 1.5 months ago, and man did I lose money. It was not fun. You guys don't have to suffer from the same mistakes these 95% of all traders make. And the way I want to do that is through Forex trading robots. So the advantages of automated trading systems, the reason why I say that this solves all these risks in Forex involved, or minimize them at least, is the first advantage: a bot minimizes emotion. Automated trading systems minimize emotion throughout the trading process. By keeping emotions in check, traders typically have an easier time sticking to the plan. So robots don't have emotions, we all know that, and if there is a plan that has been programmed, it will stick to that plan regardless of what the market does. You can backtest this robot, you can test it out, and you can even start off with a demo account to check how it performs on the real market, but you're using demo money. So essentially you're trading on the real market with real market conditions, but you're trading with demo money, so that way you don't even have to lose any money. It preserves discipline because the trade rules are established and trade execution is performed automatically. Discipline is preserved even in volatile markets. So this is what we were talking about. Even if the market does something crazy, you might get nervous, you might freak out, but the bot just stays the same. The bot just follows rules the bot just follows basic principles to make winning trades. Other two advantages of a robot, I'll just go over this really quickly. You get consistency. Of course, you improve your speed. Bots respond immediately to changing market conditions. Automated systems are able to generate orders as soon as the trade criteria are met. So this bot can make a trade happen in like 1 nanosecond immediately, and the market can move as quick as it wants, but the bot will still have the upper hand. So enough jibber jabber about this robot and about the Forex robot and technicals. Let me guys show you the results, how this robot has been performing. I'll be doing this through a very familiar website you all might know, Unbiased Forex Broker Experts. So these guys formed a Forex community, and they're basically exposing every threat and every scam on the Forex market. Alright guys, so let me zoom in a little bit for you so we can see the results of the robot a little bit better. Forex Peace Army started off with an initial deposit of $100,000. We can see this right here, and we can see that they started off on 2012. So let's look at the trades. This is the amount of profit the bot made per trade. We can see that it made $230. It lost $7,000. It made back $8,000. It lost $7,300. It made back $7,400. We can see a win here, win, win, win. It made a loss of $9,040. It gained $9,234. And you can see what is happening. As soon as this bot makes a loss, it can basically reverse that trade and recover that trade immediately after. You can see profit, 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 loss, gain. It also cancels, loss, bigger gain. And let's just look at where they are right now, and we can see guys, they're trading at Euro USD, and you can see that the lot sizes are also increasing. So right now their $100,000, their 100k turned into $471,000, $521.41. That is just amazing, and that's just insane how accurate this robot can be. Let's look at another example. My FX Book is basically a website where you can publish your trading results live. So the developers of the robot did this also. They started off with a balance of $100,000, and you can see their profit throughout the years. They have made over $472,000. They started off with an initial investment of 100k, and these guys were like, fuck it, we don't need funding, we don't need anything, we have our robot and we trust our robot. And you can even look at the win rate, the profitability, and the profit factor. These are very good results, and obviously guys, you can check this out for yourself. Always do your own due diligence. I will leave the links in the description, but these are the results of 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, 14, 13, and their start date. So this is not some new robot that just joined the market. They have been around a very long while, and they have been outperforming all other robots since then. If you are interested in this robot, I will also leave a link in the description where you can buy the robot, how you can set up the robot. When you buy the robot, you will get all the instructions from the developers, and this robot does not trade every day. Keep that in mind. When I installed my robot, the first trade happened after like 9 days. So this robot, which is a very good thing, because this means that the robot only trades when it knows that it can make a profitable trade, a winning trade. I will leave the link in the description, and I really hope that this can help a lot of you guys to start diversifying your portfolio, because I'll show you one main reason why diversification is very important. This is the Bitcoin USD chart. If we had diversified earlier, we would not have felt this 30+% dip. The forex markets are way bigger, and you can potentially make way more money on the forex markets than just with Bitcoin alone. Anyways guys, this is the main reason why diversification is very important. You would not want this happening to your money, and I wouldn't either. I really hope this video helps you get into the forex world. If you have any questions about this robot, I'll do my best to answer them as best as I can, because I'm still fairly new to this. I'm 2 months in the forex market, but I want to grow with you guys, and I want to share all my mistakes that I make so that you guys don't have to make them again, and of course share my results so that you guys know which of the robots are actually legitimate and which of them aren't. I will be doing weekly reviews on this robot so that you guys can also follow up with how the robot is doing. Guys, that was my video for today. Leave a like if you like this, dislike if you dislike this video. If you have any other recommendation of forex robots, please leave them in the description below. And of course guys, thank you so much for all the support you've been giving me. It really means a lot to me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.